The court has struck out the appeal for want of prosecution. If that is the case, there are some options. He can apply for relisting of the appeal. It's a different thing altogether. But before any such thing is done, he abides by the ruling of the Court of Appeal. We do know that as far as election petitions are concerned, Court of Appeal is the court of last resort. So I think that was the point that the colleague was trying to bring out for the consideration of the House. As usual, you heard it. Nobody wants to listen to anything. So the Speaker rightly ruled that we need to ascertain the specific facts, because you and I are not so clear about what happened. But if, as you understood it, and as I think that was what happened, we all ascertain what exactly is the position, because you think this is what you heard, I'm thinking this is what I heard. They say that, well, but they are rather being very emphatic. They think this is it, but in the end, they are not authorities on this matter. You and I are not, So let's wait and see. We keep talking about democracy. Don't let us joke with our democracy. I mean, you can't just be defying the orders of court of competent jurisdiction, particularly the Court of Appeal of the Republic. We don't do things like that. I mean, if we start playing by our respective rules and cast aside the rules of the country, we are not doing favors to our democracy and to ourselves. So it doesn't matter whether the decision was taken this morning, if the law is that this and this, I will comply with it. I mean, you don't have your own law, he doesn't have his own, I don't have my own. That's one law. The law is that. Let me tell you something quite interesting. I mean, the law is that even when a decision is patently wrong, everybody knows it's wrong. If a judge decides that it is this color is red, I mean, God, we all have eyes. We know the difference between red and green. It is green. You can see that is the green. We could all see green. The judge says it's red. It is red. For Christ's sake, that is the law. You don't do anything until it is upset on appeal. Deputy speakers should preside. So why is saying that everything should? May as well be suggesting that we'll close the doors of the Parliament and await the return of the Speaker.
The court will write to inform Parliament about its judgment.
Well, so that's my friend. I think we settled this matter already. That's why the first Deputy Speaker said that we should.
But the court has not done that. Parliament has not been notified about any judgment.
When I spend all my time on him. Yeah, what is it?